AWS Machine Learning Exam question 2. A machine learning specialist is designing a system for improving sales for a company. The objective is to use the large amount of information the company has on user behavior and product preferences to predict which products users would like based on users' similarities to other users. What should the specialist do to meet this objective? And basically, the options are a bunch of different filtering methods to do this, and it's all running on Amazon Spark ML on Amazon EMR. So to start off, let's talk about what this is. Apache Spark ML is basically a set of machine learning services and tools provided by AWS that you can use. Amazon EMR is Elastic MapReduce, which is another service, which is basically Amazon's flavor of MapReduce. And if you don't know what MapReduce is, it's basically how you manage big data, process big data. And it was originally created by Google to basically process very large amounts of data. Okay, so the question is for this particular problem, how do we figure out what the answer is, right? So the key question is they have a large amount of information on user behavior and product preferences to predict which products users would like based on the user's similarity to other users, right? Now, when you're comparing like user A, right, user A to like another user B who's similar, usually what you do there is some form of collaborative filtering, right? So collaborative filtering is literally where like you look at other users which are similar to the current user and then provide some recommendations based off that. Content-based filtering is usually like, for example, like let's say you're watching Netflix and Netflix will say, oh, you watched, this movie like Harry Potter. Let's recommend other movies that are like Harry Potter, right? Based on your watch history. Collaborative is based on other users. Model-based filtering is more kind of fine-tuned, where like you actually train a whole model based on different metrics, a bunch of different data points you could pick and then train this model just for that user, which probably isn't, could be used here, but is not the best answer here. And combinative filtering is like where you use some sort of combination of the above three to build some sort of engine, which, while could be used here, is partially correct. It's not actually the best one. The best one would be some sort of collaborative filtering based on this question. So, yeah.